In a landmark ruling, Brazil's Supreme Court has ordered former President Jair Bolsonaro to stand trial for allegedly orchestrating a coup attempt following his defeat in the 2022 elections. The unanimous decision by a panel of 5 judges marks a significant movement in Brazilian politics as it seeks to hold Bolsonaro accountable for actions that threaten the country's democratic framework. Hello, I'm Gunjan Handa, and this is Chronicle Reports. The court's ruling follows an extensive investigation that revealed Bolsonaro's involvement in a scheme aimed at overturning the election results. Prosecutors allege that he not only plotted to reverse his electoral defeat but also contemplated violent measures, including plans to poison his successor, current President Lula da Silva, and assassinate key political figures such as the Vice President and a Supreme Court Justice. Justice Alexandre Moraes, who presided over the hearing, stated that there was, quote, reasonable evidence indicating that Bolsonaro was aware of, managed, and discussed the coup plans. The judges also determined that 7 of Bolsonaro's close associates should face trial on 5 serious accounts, including participation in an armed criminal organization and attempting to violently dismantle democratic governance. Bolsonaro has consistently denied any wrongdoing, asserting that the charges against him are politically motivated. In a post on X, he claimed that the justices were biased and the expedited proceedings were designed to prevent him from running for office again in 2026. The implications of this trial are profound. If convicted of attempting to stage a coup, Bolsonaro could face up to 12 years in prison for that charge alone, with additional sentences for other charges. He could be looking at decades in prison. The case has drawn comparisons to other global political upheavals, raising concerns about the fragility of democracy in Brazil. Stay tuned with the Asian Chronicle for further updates on this developing story as it unfolds.